Beside the classic orange chicken recipe that we all know, I'll be sharing with you my new recipe using the chicken quarter to make my orange chicken. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for joining me. First step on this recipe is to get your well cleaned chicken in a bowl. Get a knife or a fork and pour in some oil all over the chicken. This was a perfect recipe for this day. It was heavily snowing outside and it's almost impossible to drive nowhere. I was happy I had all the few ingredients I needed at home. Here are the following spices to marinate your chicken. The next step is to get a baking pan that is capable to go into the oven. Cover up with aluminum foil. Here is my chicken the next day. It is well marinated, or you can as well marinate for 5 hours. Introduce your chicken in your baking pan and then bring to the oven to bake on an 150 degrees C for 35 minutes first. Please do not forget to pour in all those juice in your pan. Another step is to prep a very fast bell pepper sauce. It is not a spicy one. We are not making peppered chicken, but please go for a hotter chili if that's what you prefer. But I just do not want anything to overpower the taste of the orange, which is the purpose of this recipe for today. 35 minutes later, this is what our chicken looks like. We are not done baking. At first, we did not marinate with any oil, but at this point, you can see it has generated its own fat. This is one of the reasons I love to go for chicken quarter. It has its own taste, it has its own moist texture, and it is super tender. Okay, you can make your chicken quarter 2 days before you want to have it and still enjoy it after 2 days. Okay, so now you will go in with your pepper sauce. Marinate very well generously. Make sure you touches every part of those chicken, and then introduce some orange sliced on top to have that super caramel orange flavor in your chicken. After, in the middle of baking, bring down the orange slice just to have that perfect gold brown chicken that you desired. Okay, and 15 minutes later, guys, here we go. Here we go. Our chicken is super tender, moist, and delicious. The whole house, I bet you guys, you can imagine what it takes to grill your orange chicken. It smells amazing. It reminds you of Christmas. Orange has a lot to do with Christmas. It reminds you so much of Christmas. And yeah, and this is the perfect one we want for the season. Like you can have this with any kind of rice or salad. It is delicious. I hope you like this recipe. I just garnished with some orange slice, and this is what my plating looks like. It is super good. My husband cannot eat without some salad, so he made some salad also, and this is it with some tomato sauce, some rice. It is perfect. You can pull the chicken down. It's so tender. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share my video, please, lovelies, and bye for now.